So getting some diesel put in the truck today. Gonna try to get the air out of the fuel lines, get the air out of the ray core, and get ready for the engine. Once I get the engine put in, I'll bleed the rest of the air out of the lines. Got a trickle charge on the batteries, getting those charged up. Just trying to get everything, get the engine in, get it running. I actually have it had a flex plate flywheel on it, so I've got a standard flywheel so that I can run it without the transmission. My goal is to try to get the engine in, get the starter on it, get the battery cables hooked up, get the air bled out of the fuel. I'm gonna put the old exhaust pipes on it for now because we need to mock those up anyway, and I'd like to get the engine started and just make sure everything's good. Put a new rear seal in it, put a couple extra parts on it, so I'll make sure everything's good before we bolt the transmission up and move forward. So that's what. Separating the cab from the body today. Got the cab up. Fixing to roll the frame out. Hopefully everything clear. Up a little bit. Be a little more delicate when it's painted and the bodywork's done, but today it's a bit done. Not clear. Now we'll set the body on the subframe. So I got the cab off today, got it set on the subframe. It needs a little trimming on the bottom. So I'm gonna get the floor pan cut out a little bit, do some trim work, get that set down, and then get the bed leveled up. And then on the front of the truck, what I'm planning to do is I'm going to take and put the old core support on it and the inner fender wheels, and I'm gonna have to weld some supports because it's gonna have the funny car, right? The front end's gonna come up. So I've gotta do some pretty good supporting because the core support won't actually attach to the frame. And so a little bit of work I've got to do up there. I did pull the dash out of the truck today. I got most of that gutted out. The interior's gutted out of the truck. There's nothing inside of it, so we can work with it. So hopefully we get those modifications done in the next couple weeks, get the floor cut out. My plan is, once I get this piece all put together, is to send this piece to the body shop. I'd like to get it repainted, all the body work done, any skins that need to be replaced, door skins or anything like that can't be repaired, we'll get that done, and get it logoed, get the Texas Toy logos put on it, get the windows tinted, get a bed liner put in it, all that while it's sitting on the trailer. This whole piece will sit on the trailer, and when I bring this back home from the body shop and get all those things done, it will pick up. And if you look back here on the back of this subframe, there's a pinhole under here. And this is how the funny car part lifts on this truck. So basically we'll put it on top of the frame. When it's all complete, we'll come back over here And this is the pin right here that pins the body to the truck. We do have to do some roll cage work in there before it goes to the body shop and a couple little things, but we'll start working on that stuff. This is where the hydraulic rams actually lift the subframe and the cab up. They mount there. There's actually some mounts on that subframe that are ready to go. So we're gonna go back with the same look on that. But as far as that goes today, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my videos. Thank you.